what happens if there is another company involved here? In the sense that we have to compare our balance sheet or our company's balance sheet with any other company or a few other companies. What do we do in this case? In this case, purely comparing the components on an absolute basis may not make sense. For example, you cannot say company A is better than company B simply because the equity in company A is higher than B. In this case, it makes a lot of sense to have the relationships already calculated. That means I'll compare the debt to equity ratio of company A with that of company B, and then we'll try to find out if the leverage in company A is higher than that of B. I'll also try to find out the return on equity for company A and that for company B, and then try to find out who is delivering better returns to the shareholders. So in this case, I am reading the balance sheet for company A in the context of certain other companies, which may mean I am analyzing company A, which is a part of the ecosystem. This is my company. So I am analyzing the balance sheet of company A in comparison with that of B, C, D, Z and E. That's the way to compare and read the balance sheet of the company vis-a-vis other companies as well as the industry.